Today, I'll be answering some of the most recent questions in Reddit about marketing. R/Ask Marketing. Any advice for recent grads stepping into junior CW/ad roles in advertising? This is asked by username F Silva 1994. So he says, "Hi guys, I'm getting ready to graduate from Miami Ad School's portfolio program as a copywriter. While I have nothing but amazing things to say about my time and experience at school, I get a bit anxious with the direction that the industry is headed, major downsizing." Yeah, could attest to that. Lately, I tend to worry about the careers of my fellow classmates and I as we try to get hired in agencies during these faltering times. Most agencies are even canceling internship programs this year due to COVID, which makes many students and creatives distraught about our careers or lack thereof. This goes to all the creatives in the industry. What advice would you give us newbies trying to land agency jobs as junior creatives? Okay, so my advice for you is to start freelancing because us in the agency department are starting to move our manpower into that. It's just scalable, and during this time, it's just more. It just makes more sense to do outsourcing. So yeah, my advice to you is that when you finally get an agency that you can freelance or maybe do an internship, express your interest into doing a long-term engagement with the possibility of full-time. The best thing about this is that they know that you're serious about this, that you're going to build your career with them and looking for a place to grow and nurture you as a seed, and that it's the main differentiating factor for you as a freelancer, that you're not just one of those freelancers fly by night. So yeah, that's my tip. Be good at it to the point that when the economy picks up, they will absorb you. And good luck with you guys. So thank you for sticking out all the way to the end of the video. By the way, I'll be starting a marketing support playlist whereby I'll be answering most common questions asked by practitioners and business owners and those people who wanted to get a head start in the digital marketing career. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I wanted to give back to the community. I remember 10 years ago when I was just starting, I spent an awful amount of time in Yahoo Answers and Quora. So this is my way of sort of giving my solutions and strategies and advice for those who are struggling with digital marketing. So to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you learned something new or if you gotten any tips through my videos, feel free to share and also hit the like button. That's all, and I'll see you in my next video.